Hi guys, Steph here. Look at this lovely pen. Yes, it's absolutely gorgeous. What we have for you is another pen from my recent pen haul. Now this particular one was spotted and reserved by one of my viewers. Yeah, it was reserved subject to full restoration, so it's all been done now, so we thought we'd actually do you a review. What we've got for you is an absolutely gorgeous Watermans, and this one is the 513 fountain pen. The size of the pen capped is 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's around about 11.5 millimeters in diameter. As you can see, it comes in this gorgeous sort of, yeah, I'd call it a striated gold pearl colour. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. It's a lever pen, as you can see there. It's got this typical Watermans, what we term as a box lever. And then while we're at the barrel here, let me show you the barrel imprint. Okay, so what we've got there for you, it's, well, what it says is Watermans, and then just underneath made in England, and then it's got the model 513. So as you can see, a lovely clear imprint. Let's just give you a different angle, see if it's any clearer. But there you go, you can see it's got a lovely clear imprint. To the top of the pen, the cap, you can see in this particular model it has 3 cap bands there, gold filled cap bands. And then if we take you up to the top there, you can see it's got a typical Watermans clip from that particular period. Now when I say period, I'm dating this pen late 1940s. I believe, you know, don't quote me, circa 1948. But you can see the clip there, it's got Watermans sort of running down the length of the clip, and this lovely clip is what I term as a sort of an Art Deco style clip. They're actually very nice indeed. Okay, and then to the very top there you can see it's got this gold filled sort of cap stud to the very top of the cap there. So all in all, a lovely, handsome, yeah, gorgeous fountain pen in this lovely striated golden pearl. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you some of the customary views of different angles. There we go. And again, it's been fully restored, everything has been disassembled. It's got a brand new sack in it. Incidentally, this one actually had the original sack inside the pen, although, you know, because of the sort of the time, the age period, it had actually solidified. So let's go up to the section. You can see the section, it's got a black section, slight taper towards the nib, this little sort of area towards the nib there, this little ridge, but in lovely condition. And there's the nib for you. What we've got is a Watermans 14 carat England 2A nib, which is a correct nib for this particular pen. There's a sideways view. Let's show you the feed underneath there. You can see lovely and clean. As I say, everything's been totally disassembled and cleaned, so in absolutely lovely condition. Right, so there we go. In my large hands, it's actually, yeah, it's still a nice comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Pardon? Oh, you want to see it writing. Right, okie dokie. So let's take the top off the ink. Excuse me. Let's dip the nib in the ink, pull on the lever, pop it back again just for a couple of seconds. That's all we need because it's only for a writing sample. Pop the ink to one side and let's bring on some paper. So this is the first time it's actually been used. It's been, well, it's first time it's being tested, so you're going to see exactly what I see. So let's see how it writes. So we've got a Watermans 513. Made in England around the year 1948. We're getting some nice feedback from the nib. It's writing very nicely. With it being a Waterman, I wouldn't expect this one to actually have any flex, but let's have a look. So let's apply a little bit more pressure on the downward stroke. No, I would say no. I mean, I wouldn't actually sort of advertise this one as having a flexy nib. And there we go. I don't think it has any variation in line, but as you can see, writing very nicely. Writing, I would say, I don't know, maybe a fine, maybe fine to medium line, but writing very nicely. As you can see there, no variation, but a lovely, lovely writer. So let's pop the cap back on. What we'll do, we'll flush the pen out after the video and contact the chap that's actually reserved it, and if he still wants it, we'll arrange shipping. I believe he's in the in USA, so this one may be going to a new home in United States. Absolutely lovely. So what we've got, a Watermans 513 made in England in a gorgeous striated gold pearl colour in gorgeous condition. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen. As always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people, don't forget, leave a comment below. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe? And don't forget people, give the video a thumbs up. I think that helps. So give it a thumbs up if you will. And don't forget, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.